Let me show you how I schedule my press conference right from my couch using Squirrel PR. First, I log into my Squirrel PR account. From the menu, I click on Press Conference. Then I select New Press Invitation. Next, I enter the event title, pick the date and time, and select the language. Then I add a short description, something that gives journalists the key highlights of the event. Now, I choose the media sector that fits my event, say business or tech, and Squirrel PR automatically fetches relevant journalists for me. I add a host or support contact's phone number and email so journalists can reach out directly if they need more info. Then I set a reminder, maybe 1 hour, 24 hours, or 3 days before the event, and choose how I want it sent, SMS or email. Finally, I choose whether it's a physical or virtual event, then click Schedule. Squirrel PR instantly sends my invitations and journalists confirm their availability, so I can track RSVPs and plan accordingly. And when my event is over, I get feedback from journalists about how it went.